At the 2019 User Conference, clients from around the world gathered in Houston, Texas to learn how NS is supporting digital transformation in the maritime industry. Welcome to the next generation of NS, designed for simplicity, consistency, and control. The latest version of NS will support your journey to digital freedom. Over 130 clients from more than 47 companies around the world gathered in Houston, Texas, to learn more about the NS digital journey.
Over the past 6 years, the software has evolved to be much more user-friendly, particularly on board for mariners. We made a conscious decision a couple of years ago to be much more of a design-focused organization and to put mariners at the center of our design thinking. And that's resulted in a lot of new advances for the software, including, and most importantly, all of our mobile apps, which are really all about getting good data out to the vessel and getting good data back from the vessel so that that's available for staff in the office to analyze and to make good data-driven decisions.
Reliability experts Mark West and David Kramer demonstrated how to implement an enterprise asset management program with NS to build a roadmap to data-driven decisions. New products and features were introduced during the opening session, including eLogs, mobile development, and NS Insight. Open innovation sessions gave NS users the opportunity to provide insights that will improve our reliability-based software.
Customer feedback and customer experience is a really key into our software development and the software design.
Best practices sessions on safety and compliance, reliability and predictive analytics, and condition-based maintenance encouraged our clients to get the most out of NS. This new design represents the most significant improvement to the user experience to date, both visually and functionally. The intuitive interfaces simplify life on board for the crew, provide transparency to onshore management, and deliver seamless integration across your business processes and systems. Our clients and staff had plenty of opportunities to network and socialize.